For our witch hat, we'll be using a black 260 I've inflated, leaving about 2.5 inches uninflated on the end. A gray 260, inflated with about 1.5 inches left on the end. 2 lime green 260s, each with about 2 to 3 inches uninflated. And a white 260 that I've blown up with about 5 or 6 inches, or probably a little more inflated. We're not even going to use all of that. We're going to start with one of our greens. What we want to do with it is going to make about 2.5 inch bubble, a 1/2 inch bubble, and make that into a pinch twist. Then another bubble the same size as that one there. We're going to lock those two together, and then make another 1/2 inch bubble and make that into a pinch twist as well. These are going to be the eyes for our witch hat. Now we're going to go out. This is going to be across the front of the person's head, so you want this to be about a little more than half the width of their forehead. So you're going to go out, make about a 2 to 3 inch bubble there, depending on the size of their face. Make a little 1/2 inch bubble and make that into a pinch twist. Now what you're going to do for the bottom jaw, this is going to have to wrap around, but you'll need enough so that this can come back across and make a nose and a pinch twist on the side. So you're going to kind of gauge it. For this one, I'm going to go to about there. So I'm going to make a little 1/2 inch bubble here, make that a pinch twist, and then with what's left, I'm going to pinch off the bubble the same size as this one here. Let me show you what I'm doing. Just like that, because I want her to have a long nose. And then I'm going to take that and twist that at the base of those two bubbles there. That's the start of the face of our witch hat. This is going to be the top of her eyes, her nose, and this is going to be her mouth. A little bit of shaping right there. Okay, now we're going to take our gray 260. We're going to give her some hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make about a 6 or 7 inch bubble and twist it into one of the pinch twists on the side of her head, just like that. Then I'm going to come up with a bubble the same size as one of these, so it's kind of straight out from that. Twist a bubble there. Then I'm going to put a small 1/2 inch bubble, a pinch twist in that. Then I'm going to come across where it connects into the top of her head there above her eyes. Twist into that. And now I just need to repeat same thing going down the other way. So we're going to come out over the top, put our pinch twist here, come down into the side here, into that pinch twist, and then with this extra that I have left over, I want to take and break this one off so that it's about the same size as that one over there. And just tie that off. And you can see she's starting to take shape a little bit. Now I'm going to take my white. This is going to give her eyes and teeth. So what I want to do is I'm going to take the nozzle of it and twist it here. And this pinch twist, let me turn it around, you can see, that's behind her nose. Securing it in place. And I'm going to come around to the front, and I'll start by giving her eyes. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist a bubble up the length of these two here into that pinch twist, and then back down into the base of her nose. This will give her some eyes. So we'll go up around that pinch twist and then back down. And I'm going to go around the back and lock it in the pinch twist in the back there, and come back down. So now she's got eyes. And then I want to go ahead and give her teeth. You can either give her 1 tooth or 2 teeth. It depends on how you want to do it. I'm going to go ahead and give her 2 teeth here. So I'll twist about 1 inch to 1.5 inch bubble. And then another bubble the same size. And then just twist that back into her nose there. Tuck it through and secure it really good. Pinch twist in the back. We're going to take off this excess. Put that around the pinch twist. And now, straighten this up. Give her nose a little crook. There's her front of the mask. You see she's got her teeth, her eyes, her nose. This is her hair coming out the side. Shape that however you like it. Kind kind of scraggly looking so far. Now we're going to make her hat, so we're going to grab our black 260. I'm going to start by making a fold twist. It's about 3 inches long, so it's probably about a 6 to 7 inch bubble. Then we're going to take that fold twist and lock it into one of these pinch twists on the side of her head up here. Then I'm going to tuck that gray pinch twist down in between the fold twists, so it'll kind of force it to stick out to the side like that. Then what you want to do, you're going to come across the top of her head and twist into this pinch twist here. We come back up the top again, and we're going to go across to this next one here. And then we need another fold twist the same size as that one. Soften it up a little. Okay, fold twist. Just tuck that pinch twist down inside of that fold. Like we did the other. And then what's left is going to be the top of her hat. So we just go up part way and then bring it back down, put a twist in the middle and bring it down across and twist it around the opposite side. So there you have your witch face to go on the front of your mask. And then our other green 260 that we had left over, all you're going to do with it is you're going to come back and twist it into one of the sides of her cheeks here, the nozzle. Measure, put this on front of the face, measure around the head till it comes back to the other side here. Twist it into the other side. Pop the excess off. And just secure that loose end. And if it pops, we'll fix that later. Let's put some eyes on her. Oops, crooked eyes. And a big wart on the end of her nose. And there you have our witch mask.